Schacht's Arras Tapestry Loom has many features designed especially for tapestry weavers. We think the shedding device is especially exciting. You can use it on the Arras loom with or without the optional beam kit. This video will show you how to set up the shedding device on the Arras Tapestry Loom. You will set up the shedding device after you have warped your Arras loom. Schacht's YouTube channel has videos on warping the loom with and without the beam kit. After you've completed warping, install the shedding device on your loom. You can install the handle on the right or the left. Cut enough heddles for all your warp threads. When you pull the textile heddles off the spool, you'll see long loops alternating with short loops. Cut across each short loop crosswise. Remove the O-rings from both heddle rods. Set the handle in neutral position, parallel to the risers, and slide one rod away from the handle. We're going to start with the rod on the top. Above the shedding device, use a pickup stick to pick up every other warp thread. These threads will get attached to the top heddle rod. Fold the heddle under the first picked up warp thread and slide the heddle over the heddle rod. Continue in this way along the warp, attaching each picked up warp thread to the heddle rod. When you reach a rod support, slide the heddle rod through it and continue installing heddles. Once all the heddles are installed, slide the heddle rod back into place and secure it with two O-rings. Slide the second heddle rod away from the handle. Now you'll add heddles to warp threads that you skipped on the first heddle rod. You may find it helpful to insert a second pickup stick below the shedding device. As you did on the top heddle rod, attach each picked up warp thread to the rod, then secure the heddle rod with two O-rings. Check the shedding device to make sure all heddles are attached correctly. Remove any pickup sticks. Flip the handle up and insert a pickup stick through the shed. Every other warp thread should be lifted. Flip the handle down and insert a pickup stick through the shed. Again, every other warp thread should be lifted. Once you set up the shedding device with heddles, it's easy to use. Raise the handle for the first shed and weave a pick. Change sheds or set the handle in neutral, then beat. Lower the handle for the second shed and weave a pick. Change sheds or set the handle in neutral and beat. That's all there is to it.